children, how are you? Before going to start our class, let's do the homework of previous class. First one, which term in the AP 5 2 minus 1 is minus 22? So first I am writing the A value, that is first term. So first term is 5. Next to common difference D equals to A2 minus A1. So A2 value 2 and A1 value 5. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So which term of the AP is minus 22? So that means let AN equals to minus 22. So then A plus N minus 1 into D equals to minus 22. So A value 5 plus N minus 1 into D value minus 3, it is equals to minus 22. So N minus 1 into 3 equals to minus 22 minus 5. So N minus 1 into minus 3 equals to minus 27. So N minus 1 equals to minus 27 divided by minus 3. So minus minus cancel, 3 ones are 3 nines are. So N minus 1 equals to 9. N equals to 9 plus 1. N equals to 10. Here conclusion is very important. So therefore 10th term of given AP is minus 22. So conclusion is very important. Second question, which term of the AP 1086 dash is minus 28? First term A equals to 10. Next common difference D equals to A2 minus A1. So A2 equals to 8 minus A1 equals to 10 is a minus 2. Same minus 28 equals to nth term. So nth term formula A plus N minus 1 into D equals to minus 28. So A value 10 plus N minus 1 into D equals to, D value is minus 2. It is equals to minus 28. So now N minus 1 into minus 2 equals to minus 28 minus 10. So N minus 1 into minus 2 equals to minus 28 minus 10 is minus 38. Then N minus 1 equals to minus 38 by minus 2. So minus minus cancel, 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. Then N equals to 19 plus 1, N equals to 20. So therefore 20th term of given AP is minus 28. So conclusion you have to write. Next third question, check whether 62 is term of AP 2468 dash. So here A equals to 2 and D equals to 4 minus 2, that is 2. Equate AN equals to 62. So A plus A value 2 plus N minus 1 into D value 2, it is equals to 62. N minus 1 into 2 equals to 62 minus 2. So N minus 1 into 2 equals to 62 minus 2 is 60. Then N minus 1 equals to 60 by 2. 2 ones are 2 30s are. N equals to 30 minus 1 transpose to right side 31. So therefore 31st term 31st term of given AP is 62. Next, fourth question, check whether 24.5 is term of AP 0.3, 0.6, 0.9. So here A value 0.3, D value A2 minus A1, 0.6 minus 0.3, 0.6 minus 0.3 is 0.3. Now equate the nth term to 24.5. So A plus n minus 1 into D equals to 24.5. Substitute A value 0.3 plus n minus 1 into D value 0.3, it is equals to 24.5. So n minus 1 into 0.3 equals to 24.5 minus 0.3. It is equals to 24.5 minus 0.3 is 24.5 minus 3, 2. Now n minus 1 into 0.3, n minus 1 equals to 24.2 divided by 0.3. We have the same number of decimal places in the numerator and denominator, so 242 divided by 3. So is there any cancellation? 242 and 3? So no cancellation, so then n equals to 242 divided by 3 plus 1, it is equals to 1 can write as a 1 by 1, the LCM is 3, 242 plus 3 ones are 3, 245 by 3. So here n is a rational number. If n is a rational number, so what is the meaning of that? N is actually term number. Term number should be a positive integer, but we got rational number. So the conclusion is, what is the conclusion? 24.5 is not a term in the given arithmetic progression. So conclusion very important for every answer. Next, coming to example 5. Determine the AP whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. Third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. So third term means A3 equals to 5. So according to the general form of a AP, third term will represent with A plus 2D, it is equals to 5, equation 1. Next, seventh term is 9. So seventh term means A7 equals to 9. So same A7 is representing with A plus 6D. According to the general form of AP, it is equals to 9, equation 2. So by using the elimination method, let's eliminate one variable from the both equations. So in the elimination method, change the symbol for the second equation. Here minus 6D minus 9, plus A minus A cancel, 2D minus 6D is minus 4D, and 5 minus 9 answer is minus 4. Then D equals to minus 4 divided by minus 4, minus minus cancel, 4 ones are 4, it is equals to 1. So the D value is 1. Now substitute D value either in equation 1 or equation 2. I am substituting in the equation 1, that is A plus 2D equals to 5. So A plus 2 into D value how much? That is 1. It is equals to 5. So A plus 2 into 1 is 2. It is equals to 5. A equals to 5 minus 2. Then A equals to 3. So A value 3 and D value 1. So now what is the question? Determine the AP. Determine the AP means we have to write the three or four terms in the AP. So what are the terms? Generally the terms are representing with a plus d, a plus 2d. So enough, three terms are enough. So a value how much? 3, a plus d 3 plus 1, a plus 2d 3 plus 1 into 3 plus 2 into 1 dash 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 plus 2 into 1 is 2 dash. So 3 comma 4, 3 plus 2 is 5 dash. So it is arithmetic progression. Let's do the 14th problem, that is determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. See, determine the AP. So to determine the AP we need A value and D value. So to find out them he gave some values, that is third term is 16. So third term means A3 equals to 16. So A3 means A plus 2D equals to 16. It is equation 1. Next, seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Seventh term means A7. This A7 exceeds fifth term by 12. That means A5 exceeds means addition plus 12. So when you adding the 12 to A5, then it is equals to A7. That is the meaning of given information. So A7 means A plus 6D equals to A5 means A plus 4D plus 12. So we need to get one more equation like equation 1. So that is why A plus 6D and minus A minus 4D equals to 12. So what happened here? Plus A minus A cancel. 6D minus 4D. 6D minus 4D is what? 2D. It is equals to 12. So here we can find out the D value directly. So 12 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 6 are. Then D equals to 6. So D value is 6. So we no need of another equation. So now using this D value you can find out the A value. So how to find? We have a equation A plus 2D equals to 16. Now substitute D equals to 6. A plus 2 into 6 equals to 16. Now A plus 2 6 are 12 equals to 16. So A equals to 16 minus 12. Then A equals to 16 minus 12 is 4. So finally we got A value and D value. Let's determine the AP. So determine nothing but write minimum 3 terms of the given arithmetic progression. So first 3 terms I am writing A value 4, A plus D 4 plus 6, comma 4 plus 2 into 6 dash. So 4 plus 6 is 10. 4 plus, as per the BODMAS rule, first you complete the multiplication. So 4 plus 2 6 are 12 dash. So 4 10, 4 plus 12 is 16 dash. So this is our required answer. Next, coming to 16th problem, the sum of the 4th and 8th terms of AP is 24 and the sum of the 6th and 10th terms is 44. Find the first 3 terms of AP. See, first 3 terms nothing but determine the arithmetic progression. So here what is the information given? Sum of the 4th and 8th terms. 4th and 8th term sum is 24. So that means A4 and A8 sum means plus is equals to 24. So as per the general form of a AP, A4 is A plus 3D, A8 means A plus 7D equals to 24. Let's simplify. A plus A 2A, 3D plus 7D is 10D equals to 24. Left side we can take 2 common. With that 2 we can cancel the RHS. So that is why take the 2 common. A plus 5D is equals to 24. So A plus 5D equals to 24 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 12s are. So it is equals to 12, equation 1. So a plus 5d equals to 12 is a equation 1. So next we need one more equation. That is why he gave sum of the 6th and 10th terms is 44. 6th and 10th. So a6 plus a10 is equals to 44. So a6, as per the general form of AP, a6 means a plus 5d plus a10 a plus 9d equals to 44. So now simplify LHS. A plus a is 2a, 5d plus 9d is 14d equals to 44. So now we can take the 2 common. So take the 2 common. A plus 7d equals to 44. So now a plus 7d equals to 44 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 22s are, it is equals to 22, equation 2. So finally we got two equations. One is a plus 5d equals to 12, another one is a plus 7d equals to 22. So now elimination method, a plus 5d equals to 12. Next to a plus 7d equals to 22. A plus 7d equals to 22. So in the elimination method, let's change the symbols for the second equation. So plus a minus a cancel. Minus 2d equals to 12 minus 22 is minus 10. Then d equals to minus 10 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel. 2 ones are 2 5s are. So d value is 5. So let's substitute d value 5 either in equation 1 or equation 2. So a value, what is the a value we require to find out? 5 into d value, how much? 5, it is equals to 12. 5 5s are 25, it is equals to 12. So a equals to 12 minus 25. So a equals to 12 minus 25 is minus 13. So a value minus 13 and d value is 5. Let's write the first three terms of AP. So we know very well the first three terms are a plus d, a plus 2d. So he asked only first three terms, so that is why I am not taking the dada symbol. So a value minus 13, so first term completed. Second term minus 13 plus d value 5. Third term minus 13 plus 2 into 5. So first term already over. Minus 13 plus 5 is minus 8. As per the BODMAS rule, first you complete the multiplication. So 2 5s are 10. So minus 13 minus 8 minus 13 plus 10 is minus 3. So it is our required first three terms of AP. Next, coming to seventh problem, find the 31st term of AP whose 11th term is 38. 11th term, so A11 equals to 38. So A plus 10D equals to 38, equation 1. So next, 16th term is 73. 16th term, A16 equals to 73. A plus 15D equals to 73, equation 2. Use the elimination method. So A plus 10D equals to 38. Next to A plus 15D equals to 73. So now change the symbols. All are positive, so when you changing them, all will come negative. Plus a minus a cancel. Minus 5d equals to 38 minus 73. So 13 minus 8 is 5 and 6 minus 3 is 3. so minus 35. D equals to minus 35 divided by minus 5, minus minus cancel, 5 ones are 5 sevens are, so D value is 7. So now substitute either in equation 1 or equation 2. I am substituting in equation 1. D value 7, so A plus 10 into 7 equals to 38, so A plus 70 equals to 38. A equals to 38 minus 70. 38 minus 70 is minus 32, so A value is minus 32, D value is 7. So now what he is asking, find out the 31st term of a AP. So 31st term of a AP, that means A31, it is equals to A plus 30 D. So A value how much? Minus 32 plus 30 into D value is 7. So it is equals to minus 32, 30 plus 7, 210. So minus 32 plus 210 is 178. So the required answer is A31 is 178. So next, 8th problem, if third and ninth terms of AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively. See, a third term is 4 and ninth term is minus 8. So third term A3 equals to 4. So A plus 2D equals to 4, equation 1. Next, ninth term is minus 8. So A9 equals to minus 8. So A plus 8D equals to minus 8, equation 2. So now what he is asking, which term of the AP is 0? Which term of the AP is 0? Nothing but 0 should be equals to AN, then find out the N value. But to find out the N value, we required A and D answers. So that is why let's find out the A and D answers first. So A plus 2D equals to 4 and A plus 8D equals to minus 8. See here, very important, change the symbol for the second equation. Plus A will become minus A, plus 8D will become minus 8D, minus 8 will become plus. So plus A minus A cancel, 2D minus 8D is minus 6D. It is equals to 4 plus 8 is 12. 4 plus 8 is 12. Then D equals to 12 divided by minus 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are, it is equals to minus 2. So D value minus 2. So substitute D value in any equation, either equation 1 or equation 2. So A plus D value 2 into minus 2, it is equals to 4. A plus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, equals to 4. Then A equals to 4 plus 4, then A equals to 8. So A value 8 and D value minus 2. Now what he is asking, check whether which term of the AP is 0. Which term of the AP is 0? Nothing but let us equate the 0 to nth term. So A plus n minus 1 into D equals to 0. So A value 8 plus n minus 1 into D value minus 2, it is equals to 0. Now substitute the n value. So to find out the n value, first transpose plus 8 to another side. So n minus 1 into minus 2 equals to minus 8. N minus 1 equals to minus 8 divided by minus 2, because here minus 2 is multiplying. Okay, so minus minus cancel, 2 ones are 2 fours are, so then n minus 1 equals to 4, n equals to 4 plus 1, n equals to 5. So the fifth term of AP, so your conclusion is very important. Fifth term of AP is 0. Next, coming to ninth problem, the 70th term of AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. So just is asking D value. Okay, same like a 14th problem. Here also 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. So 17th term of AP, 17th term nothing but A17. 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term. Its 10th term is equal to A10. Exceeds means we have to do the addition. So this is a given information. Then what is a common difference? So A plus 16D equals to A plus 9D plus 7. So to find out the D value, A plus 16D minus A minus 9D, keep the constant number as it is. So plus A minus A cancel. 16D minus 9D is 7D equals to 7. So then D equals to 7 by 7. So it is equals to 1. So D nothing but common difference. So that is 1. Today I am giving 4 problems for homework. First question, the first term of AP is minus 2 and the 10th term is 16. Determine the 15th term. Second question, 8th term of AP is 17. 25th term exceeds 19th term by 12. Then write first 4 terms of AP. Third question, determine 25th term of AP whose 9th term is minus 6 and common difference is 5 by 4. And 4th term of AP is 10 and the 9th term is 20. Determine the AP. In this class, we learned nth term of arithmetic progression topic and its related example 5 completed, and in the exercise 6.2, 7, 8, 9, 14 and 16 the problems completed. So total number of homework questions is 4. I hope you understand this class. So children, don't skip the video, watch the video completely, then only you will understand all problems and you can do the homework properly. Thank you.